Welcome to the start of my Beginner's Guide to Serviced Accommodation series. In this episode, we're going to talk about technology and in particular channel managers and pricing softwares. As you start to get multiple units, or even if you've just got one unit, it's good practice to get familiar with a PMS system, property management system, or a channel manager as it's otherwise known. I personally use Uplisting. It's a fantastic tool. If you click the link below, you will get lifetime discount on that tool. So please go ahead and do that and set yourself up. But for now, there's many other channel managers out there and they all do a very similar job. In essence, when you're hosting, you're going to be advertising on many different booking sites. Now, if someone books on Airbnb, for example, you then don't want the same dates to be booked on booking.com 2 minutes later, because ultimately you'll then have two bookings for the same dates with two different people. Now that causes a lot of headaches. It will have financial implications to your business and it is not a very good scenario. You will more than likely get negative reviews and it will backfire on you. So the technology through API feeds the booking straight into your channel manager, and then your channel manager will feed it out all the other sites and say that date's blocked. Really clever tool, and that is just the start of it. So that is in the main what you use a channel manager for. When you plug in a pricing software, the pricing software will play the algorithms of the booking channels. So it will increase and decrease based on demand. These pricing softwares have a lot of data getting fed into them all the time. They'll know when there's a high demand season, they'll know when there's a high demand date. If a concert or a sporting event gets launched in your city on the news, you're at work or you're doing something with your kids and you're not by your laptop, all of a sudden all your properties get booked at a really low rate because you haven't got a pricing tool in play. The pricing tool will know that something major's gone on and will automatically hike your prices, ultimately putting more profit in your bank account. The pricing software feeds your channel manager. Your channel manager feeds all of your booking channels, including your own websites as well. So what happens is you've got one tool to price, and then that other tool, the channel manager, then farms out to all the other booking channels and make sure that your pricing is reflected and is on point. You can also set different types of customizations. If you want to be cheaper on one channel, i.e. your direct booking site, than maybe you do on booking.com or Airbnb, then that is not a bad tactic to play, because people with clever marketing, which again I'll come on to later on in the series about how you present yourself online to attract direct bookings, with your clever marketing, people will look for your personal website and they will understand how to get through to you without paying the commissions of the booking channels, because a savvy traveler understands that the booking channels also charge them fees and they can get much cheaper rates by coming direct to your business. These are just some of the simple tools that you do need in your armory. Wheelhouse is a fantastic pricing software and Uplisting is a fantastic channel manager. The channel manager also acts as your guest communication tool. So rather than having to log into all the different booking channels, you can go into your inbox on Uplisting and you can type away and you can reply back to the guests of the different channels from the questions that they're giving you. It will also go through the verification, identification and contract process to keep your property protected. One of the most important things that you have to do in this game, because you will get bad guests, you will get disrespectful guests, and it's how you protect your money as to whether that becomes damaging or whether you can actually turn a profit from it. And really simple things that can go so far in your business, but you have to understand how they work. Then we have the guest communication. So the automated guest communication, the automated review system, all of these other magical features that save you so much time and mean that you can focus on getting more properties on the books, that you can plug into your automated model, and then you can sit back on the beach and watch the bookings roll in from your mobile phone and let the guest get handled automatically. That is the business that you want to create. That is the business I am always passionately working towards, always tweaking my technology, always trying to automate things as much as I can to make them as powerful and as scalable as they can be. That is a wrap, and in the next episode we will be talking about how to dress your Airbnbs and photograph them to make sure that your conversions on your booking channels, on your websites are higher than the industry average, which means you get more profit in your bank account. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me any comments. I personally respond to every single one. like and subscribe to the channel, and if you wouldn't mind, please head over to TikTok and give me a follow over there as well. Thank you very much for watching.